I was motivating back in town, I saw a Cadillac sign say, no money down. So I eased on my brakes and I pulled in the drive, gunned my motor twice, then I walked inside. The dealer came to me, said, trade in your Ford and I'll put you in a car that'll eat up the road. Just tell me what you want and then sign that line, and I'll have it brought down to you in an hour's time. I'm gonna get me a car and I'll be headed on down the road. Then I won't have to worry about that broken down ragged Ford. Well, mister, I want a yellow convertible, four-door DeVille, with a Continental spare and a wide chrome wheel. I want power steering and power brakes. I want a powerful motor with a jet octane. I want air conditioning. I want automatic heat. I want a full Murphy bed in my back seat. I want shortwave radio. I want TV and a phone. You know I gotta talk to my baby when I'm riding alone. Yes, I'm gonna get that car and I'm gonna head on down the road.
We're going for a ride.
Yeah, then I won't have to worry about that broken down ragged Ford. I want 4 carburetors and 2 straight exhausts. I'm burning aviation fuel, no matter what they cost. I want railroad air horns and a military spot. And I want a 5-year guarantee on everything I got. I want $10 deductible. I want $20 notes. I want 30,000 liability. That's all she wrote. I'm got me a car and I'm headed on down the road. No money down. I don't have to worry about that broken down ragged Ford.
Downtown
acres of ground. Some stool pigeon put the sheriff wise, told him park down in Dudenville and catch him guys. Sheriff laid low, half hid in the weeds. Parked for 8 days, didn't nobody speed. All of a sudden, dust rose on the road, said, here come the Jaguar and Thunderbird Road. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird Road. Sheriff double clutch second, put him in third, took right out after Jaguar and Thunderbird. He knew he'd get a bonus and a big flat fine if he caught him when he crossed that county line. Sheriff never drove his car 100 flat, but if he aimed to get him, he had to do more than that. Crest of the hill is about a yard behind, and wasn't but 2 more miles from the county line. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird Road. Old Sheriff counting on down the grade, with the tailwind pushing, and he had it made. Thunderbird saw the sheriff gain his speed, and waved goodbye. Jaguar pulled in the lead. Jaguar said, you ain't won the race yet. Pulled back around the bird like a saber jet. Sheriff front bumper was a yard behind, when the T-Bird Jaguar crossed the line. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird Road. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird Road. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird Road. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep
Thunderbird, beep 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 yeah beep beep. Save some money on yourself off. Save a little more than bought me a car. Was black on my Thunderbird, so new. Black on my Thunderbird, so cool. Black on my Thunderbird, happy as I can be. Oh, well, it rode down the street, speaking my guy too. Saw the cars and me on my stride. Black on my Thunderbird, black lights. Black on my Thunderbird, real fast. Black on my Thunderbird, happy as we can be. All the kids think that I'm a big whip 'cause I cruise around in my automobile. Yes, my black on my Thunderbird can't be cool. Black on my Thunderbird, it's real neat. Black on my Thunderbird, man, you all see me. Well, it went around the town. I rode up the street and then I came down in my black on my Thunderbird. It's grand, black on my Thunderbird. Yeah, man, black on my Thunderbird. Chips all and leave me.
Tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down. It happened on the strip where the road is wide. Two cool shorts standing side by side. Yeah, my fuel-injected Stingray and a 413 are revving up their engines and it sounds real mean. Tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down. Declining numbers at an even rate. At the count of 1 we both accelerate. My Stingray is light, the slicks are starting to spin, but the 413's really digging in. Gotta be cool now, power shift, here we go. Superstar Dodge is whining out in low, but my fuel-injected Stingray's really starting to glow. To get the traction, I'm riding the clutch. My pressure plate's burning, that machine's too much. Pedals to the floor, here is two quads drink. And now our 13's lead is starting to shrink. He saw with ram induction, but it's understood. I got a fuel-injected engine sitting under my hood. Shut it
Shell
off, shut
Canyon.
it off, buddy, now I shut you down.
Pyramid Mountain.
Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down.
man's buried up there.
My curiosity running wild, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Riding along in my automobile, I was anxious to tell her the way I feel. So I told her softly and sincere, and she leaned and whispered in my ear, cuddling more and driving slow, with no particular place to go. No particular place to go. So we parked way out on the Kokomo. The night was young and the moon was gold. So we both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way I felt? I couldn't unfasten a safety belt. Riding along in my calaboose, still trying to get her belt to loose. All the way home I held a grudge for the safety belt that wouldn't budge. Cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Well, if you ever plan to motor west, Jack, take my way. It's the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it goes from St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks ooh so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingsman, Moscow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this kindly tip, Jack, and take that California trip? Get your kicks on Route 66.
We're stuck behind a stinky dump truck.
It's pretty damn hot.
Well, it goes
Thunderbird. So new, black and white Thunderbird. So cool, black and white Thunderbird. Happy as I can be, Oh, let it roll down the street. Speaking my guy too, saw the cars and me. Oh my, she got a black and white Thunderbird. At last, black and white Thunderbird. Real fast, black and white Thunderbird. Happy as we can be, Put, 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 put,